Imagine getting paid by the second. Payrolls and payments moving in real time. That's the exact problem Zebec is solving, and its token, ZBCN, has quietly become one of the most interesting infrastructure plays on-chain. Here's why ZBCN could be the altcoin to watch. Stick around. I'll break down what it does, the recent wins, tokenomics, and the real risks you need to know. Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you enjoy clear, faceless crypto explainers, smash that like button and subscribe. Quick reminder, this is educational only, not financial advice. What is Zebec? At its core, Zebec is a payments and payroll protocol built to enable real-time streaming payments. Think salaries, subscriptions, and cross-border payouts that move continuously instead of in lumps. They've built multiple product lines: streaming payroll, a spending card, and apps to onboard businesses and users into Web3 payments. This isn't just theory. Zebec positions itself as infrastructure to make money flow like data. Why real-time payments matter. Traditional payroll is slow and clunky, especially for freelancers, remote teams, and gig workers. Real-time streaming solves cash flow friction, reduces settlement risk, and unlocks new business models: pay-per-second services, continuous subscriptions. Infrastructure that actually changes how money moves can scale massively if adopted. Recent traction and credibility signals. Zebec has been moving from concept to on-chain product work. Recently, the project scored major visibility and liquidity wins. ZBCN has been listed on centralized exchanges and seen growing market interest. For example, exchange listings and market data show ZBCN trading with sizable volume and market cap in the hundreds of millions. A sign the market is taking notice. Token utility and tokenomics. ZBCN is designed as a utility and governance token. It's used for paying fees, staking for network participation, and governance votes. The tokenomics include a very large max supply, 100 billion, in circulating supply in the tens of billions. But the project also implements burn mechanisms on fees to add a deflationary pressure over time. Those mechanics matter because they influence scarcity and long-term value capture. Always read the tokenomics white paper yourself. Product roadmap and growth catalysts. Key growth catalysts to watch: expansion of Zebec's product suite, cards, super app, regulatory and compliance milestones, and integrations that bring on businesses and payroll clients. The roadmap mentions institutional and regulatory targets which, if achieved, could open larger market channels. Those milestones are what could turn infrastructure into steady demand for ZBCN. Recent market performance and momentum. Price action has shown periods of strong momentum followed by consolidation, which is normal for infrastructure tokens that announce listings or partnerships. Some price predictions from markets and data aggregators vary wildly, but what matters more is on-chain usage and real-world adoption, not short-term price calls. If listings and product adoption continue, liquidity and price discovery can improve. Strengths. Why ZBCN could win. 1. Real product market fit. Payroll and streaming payments solve a tangible problem for businesses and gig workers. 2. On-chain first execution. Native tooling to stream funds creates unique use cases that legacy rails can't replicate. 3. Exchange listings and liquidity. Centralized exchange listings improve accessibility and can boost adoption. 4. Regulatory focus. Pursuing compliance can unlock institutional users if done right. Risks and red flags. Don't get swept up in hype. These are real risks. Adoption risk. Businesses may prefer legacy payroll providers unless Zebec proves cost or UX advantages. Regulatory risk. Payments and payroll are heavily regulated. Any compliance misstep can be costly. Token supply and dilution. Large total supply plus unlocked vesting schedules can pressure price when tokens enter circulation. Check vesting schedules before investing. Market risk. Macro and crypto cycles move prices dramatically. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. How to watch ZBCN practical signals. Keep an eye on on-chain streaming volume and active payroll contracts, Real usage beats price hype. New exchange listings or fiat on-ramps boost liquidity. Roadmap milestones and regulatory announcements, ISO certifications, compliance letters. Token unlock/vesting dates. Sudden unlocks can change supply dynamics. Is ZBCN a get-rich-quick coin? No, it's an infrastructure play that needs adoption. Is it a security? The legal status of tokens varies. Monitor regulatory updates. So, could ZBCN be the altcoin to watch? Yes. As a potential infrastructure winner, if Zebec converts product traction into real-world payment flows, continues exchange adoption, and navigates regulation. But it's not risk-free. Do your homework, track on-chain usage, and treat it like any speculative tech investment. If you found this useful, like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, what signal would convince you to buy an infrastructure token? Want a deeper dive into Zebec's roadmap or a 15-minute breakdown with visuals? Say the word and I'll script it next.